Programming errors. A logic error is a type of programming error where the code compiles and runs without crashing, but the program does not produce the correct output or it behaves in an unintended way. These errors occur due to flawed reasoning or incorrect assumptions by the programmer, not due to syntax or runtime issues. Logic errors are some of the most challenging to detect because the program appears to be working. Careful testing and attention to the intended logic are essential to avoid them. Logic errors can be difficult to spot sometimes. This is because the program compiles and runs successfully, and there are no exceptions or syntax errors. However, the error can be seen after execution because the output is incorrect or unexpected, or the program behaves differently from what was intended. Logic errors usually occur because one of these reasons: incorrect formulas, if you use the wrong mathematical expression, for example; misunderstood operator precedence, wrong assumptions about the order of evaluation; or incorrect variable usage, using the wrong variable or reassigning improperly. There are some tricks we can use to help avoid logic errors. Use temporary print statements within loops or throughout the program to help you trace variable values. Include lots of comments, and review operator precedence rules. For example, division precedes addition. Read the code below. This program is supposed to find the average of three numbers, 10, 20, and 30. However, it outputs 40. Can you find the logic error? The logic error is here. The output will be 40 because the calculation is first going to divide C by 3, then add A and B. To fix this, you would need to put parentheses around A plus B plus C. So here we correct the error by putting parentheses around A plus B plus C so that it adds those numbers together first before dividing by the number of numbers. A runtime error is an error that occurs while the program is running, after it has successfully compiled. These errors are usually caused by unexpected conditions, such as dividing by zero, accessing null objects, or trying to read beyond array bounds. Runtime errors are critical to understand and manage because they cause a program to stop suddenly. Proper exception handling and input validation are key to writing robust programs. An exception is a type of runtime error that occurs as a result of an unexpected error that was not detected by the compiler. It interrupts the normal flow of the program's execution and usually causes it to crash. The following are common exceptions that you may encounter: arithmetic exception, caused by division by zero; null pointer exception, accessing methods or fields of a null object; number format exception, trying to convert a string to a number improperly. Consider the following code. What exception will occur? Here, because B is 0, and here we're dividing A by B, Java will throw an arithmetic exception because division by 0 is undefined. Consider the following code. What exception will occur? Text is null, so you can't call a method on a null object reference. This will cause a null pointer exception. Consider the following code. What exception will occur? If the user types a string here instead of a number, input mismatch exception is thrown. Otherwise, the program will run correctly.